If you've been posting content to get affiliate sales and you're not seeing results, this is probably why. The truth is, your free traffic channel could be getting you views but no clicks, or clicks but no sales. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, ranked in order based on what actually drives results. By the way, my name's Daniel Thrasher, Senior Content Manager here at ClickBank. And I spend a lot of time, both on the job and in my spare time, testing all of this stuff. So I'm not just talking theory, this is what works. Now, here's how we'll break it all down. First, I'm gonna show you the 6 core formats for free traffic. Then, I'll explain the 3 layers of traffic that determine whether you make money. And finally, I'll give you my top 5 picks for free traffic sources so you can walk away with the best platforms for making affiliate sales. We got a lot of good stuff to cover, so let's kick things off with the 6 core free traffic formats. So there are really only a handful of ways to actually communicate ideas through content. These are called content formats, and once you understand them, everything else will click into place. The formats are audio, images, text, short form video, long form video, and optional community. An audience can hear you, they can look at images you create, they can read your words, they can watch your short videos, watch your long videos, or they can connect with you in some kind of online community or discussion forum. Now at this point, it's easy to get overwhelmed and just pick one of these formats at random, but that's exactly how you don't get results. There's another important step we can take to make sense of all these different formats and find the one that's best for affiliate marketing. And that's by matching each of these to the popular platforms you can work with, like so. For the audio side, podcast. For images, we have Pinterest and Instagram. With Google and Bing, or LinkedIn, Threads, X, Blue Sky, Substack, and email. For short form, you have Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. For long form video, you have YouTube. And then for communities, you have Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, Discord. Now, realistically, you can use any or all of these free traffic sources to do affiliate marketing. One way to think about it, though, is going with a format that you're naturally inclined to. For me, I've always been a writer, so I was comfortable jumping straight into SEO blogging earlier in my affiliate journey. And now I've branched out into creating images that are pretty text and content heavy for Pinterest, and similarly short form video on Instagram. There's not necessarily one correct answer, but here's the thing. These formats and platforms are not created equal. You can't just go from one to another without understanding the underlying way that the platforms work. And that's why we need to talk about what makes a platform most effective for affiliate marketing. The 3 free traffic layers. So this is the secret sauce that most free traffic affiliates don't know about, so you're gonna wanna pay attention to this part. Let me introduce you to the 3 free traffic layers in the affiliate funnel. First, we have the attention layer, which is feed-based. We have the intent layer, which is search-based. And then we have the trust layer, which is relationship-based. So remember the content formats we just looked at? All of those also map to one or more of these layers. Now, here's the problem you don't even realize you have. Most affiliates are stuck in an attention trap, spinning their wheels on social media feeds, posting on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, and probably getting some views, but not making sales. And that's because attention without intent and trust won't convert. The real money is made when you can channel all that raw attention into intent and then build trust to drive conversions, in other words, affiliate sales. That's probably a little abstract, so let's dig into it with a more concrete example. Choosing your free traffic source. So, if I were a brand new affiliate trying to decide where to get started growing free traffic, I would think about it in terms of the following 3 questions. How will I get attention? How will I capture intent? And where will I build trust? If you can answer all 3 of these questions with one or more of the traffic platforms we're talking about here, then you'll have everything you need for a successful free traffic affiliate business. So let's map our top platforms to the 3 layers and see where they show up. Now, see in this graphic how social media feeds are perfect for getting you attention from new people, but not so good at building trust? Or how search-based platforms help you get seen, but only by a highly motivated sliver of your total audience, the ones who are actively seeking information? Or what about the fact that you can build a trust layer platform, like an email list, a podcast, or an online community that deepens your connection with your audience, but can't actually find an audience for you? This is the huge unlock that you probably didn't even know you needed. Now that you've got each platform aligned with a layer in the buyer's journey, you can see how different your approach should be in picking which place to grow. With this in mind, I would immediately gravitate towards either the attention or intent layers first, unless I already had a strong brand or reputation, because you can't get anywhere if you're not discoverable online. But I would also know to prioritize at least one trust layer traffic source where I can deepen the relationship with my audience once they found me through a social feed or a search. Now, I should also point out these are not 100% rigid categories. For example, searches do happen on feed-based platforms like Instagram, and there are also feeds on intent-based platforms like Pinterest. But that's not what each of these is most known for, and you do want to align your content strategy to work with the platforms the way they're intended to work. And last thing I'll say on this, did you notice how YouTube didn't actually live in just one layer, but spanned all three? That's something to think about. I hope this has given you a really good understanding of how to think about these different free traffic sources. You can tie them to their dominant content format and traffic layer to construct a free traffic funnel that's perfect for your business. And with that, you could just walk away and choose your free traffic source. But at the start of this video, I promised you I'd share my 5 top free traffic sources so that you can just jump straight in without a bunch of extra analysis. And that's what we're gonna do. Here are my top 5 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. So at number 5, we have the email list. An email list is incredibly important if you're a free traffic affiliate because it allows you to capture the audiences who find you. Think of it this way. Email doesn't get you traffic, but it makes your traffic worth something. 99% of the people who stumble across an article you wrote or a video you made are never gonna come back. And that's not because they hate you, it's just because they didn't spend enough time with you to get to know you. So email functions as a trust layer in your affiliate funnel. Just starting an email list on its own won't work unless you have a way to grow it, but you'll be very glad to have an email list to engage with the audience that you're building elsewhere. In this one, I'll also give a shout out to podcasts and online communities as a way to deepen that relationship and grow trust and authority, but email list is definitely the ultimate. Speaking of, let's talk about my next free traffic choice. Number 4, text-based like LinkedIn or Threads/X. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but text-based platforms don't traditionally get a lot of love from us in ClickBank. And I do understand why. In affiliate marketing, your goal is to get someone to the purchase quickly. And the text format on its own just doesn't drive conversions the way images and video will. But sites like LinkedIn, Threads, and X are powerful for positioning and for discoverability. These are supreme attention layer platforms, and especially on one like LinkedIn, it can do wonders for your credibility and authority, which lifts up and supports everything you're doing on every other platform. Because these ones are mostly short form text platforms, I would pair them with at least one longer format, such as the YouTube channel, the blog, email newsletter, or podcast. That will give you maximum discoverability plus a trust layer where conversions can happen. Or you can try this next traffic source pairing. Number 3, Pinterest and SEO blog, so search-based. This may sound a little unconventional, but I love the Pinterest plus blog combination of traffic sources. Here's how it works. You create an SEO blog that can get traffic from search engines like Google, Bing, and possibly AI chatbots like ChatGPT. And you're creating content around your niche or audience, but you're also leveraging the search and feed-based capabilities of Pinterest, which allows you to link out to your blogs with every single pin that you post. So in this scenario, Pinterest and your blog are both serving the attention layer and the intent layer. And then your blog can serve as a place to host your affiliate links. If you can toss an email list into the mix to nurture a growing audience over time, then you've got an airtight affiliate funnel right there. Best of all, this is a passive traffic engine where the content you published months or years ago can still bring you new potential customers today. Just be prepared for this one to take some time to grow because these platforms are much stronger in intent than they are in attention. But if attention is what you crave, I've got you covered. Number 2, Instagram and TikTok, the short form video format. Short form video is far and away the best attention layer out there for free traffic. Instagram and TikTok are the MVPs at matching your short videos to the people out there who want to see them. Of course, like I said earlier, this can be an attention trap, where you accumulate massive views and you feel like you're winning, only to realize you're losing at the affiliate game without any sales to show for your hard work. The good news is, if you're starting from scratch without any brand or audience, then these are the best places to actually get moving. You don't need any of that stuff when the algorithm is just gonna push your content anyway. And the way these algorithms work is, they do a sampling of how an initial audience engages with your new video, and if that test goes well, they'll distribute it to a wider group, and so on. So in plain English, this means you can break through just by creating high quality content in your niche. Instagram and TikTok are the ultimate solve for the attention layer, and if you can use a link in bio or modern solutions like automated DM funnels, you can capture that audience and deepen the relationship on the trust layer with something like an email list, a community, or maybe my final free traffic source, which is YouTube is the only platform where a single video can get you discovered, build trust, and make sales all at once. I'll admit this was almost a toss-up with Instagram and short form video, but I'm giving the edge to YouTube because it actually manages to straddle all 3 layers of the affiliate funnel in one place. At the attention layer, you've got YouTube Shorts and YouTube long form videos in the feed pushed by the algorithm. And then you've got long form videos that can be discovered via YouTube search or even Google search, which is excellent for the intent layer. And lastly, you've got the trust layer. Long form videos do an amazing job of cultivating the relationship you have with your audience because they spend a lot of time getting to know you in long videos. And of course, with video, they see and hear you, which is a powerful way to build that connection. Plus, through links in the description or other CTAs in your videos, you can actually get people to take that next step right from YouTube. So if you could literally only have one platform for your affiliate business, it would have to be YouTube. But that doesn't mean YouTube isn't without its own shortcomings. While there is some emphasis on the attention layer there, you'll have a tougher time growing if all you put out are long YouTube videos. YouTube's at its best on the intent and trust layers. But if you pair YouTube long videos with YouTube Shorts, or off-platform with attention layer platforms like Instagram and TikTok or X and Threads, then you do have a winning recipe for covering all 3 layers of the free traffic funnel. So, to recap, my top 5 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing are email marketing, LinkedIn or X/Threads, Pinterest plus an SEO blog, Instagram and TikTok, and YouTube. But of course, these work best when you mix and match them to cover all of the layers in the free traffic affiliate funnel and align with that content format that you feel you're the best at. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you in this one, but I do hope it was super helpful. If you thought so, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more content just like this. Now I have a question for you. Did this way of thinking about free traffic sources resonate with you? Does it make sense to choose your traffic sources based on content format and those 3 layers of the affiliate funnel? Attention, intent, and trust? I want to hear from you, so let me know in the comments. And lastly, I did create another solid free traffic video with even more strategy on how to approach this type of affiliate marketing, so if you're looking for more on free traffic, be sure to give that one a watch next. Oh, and if you're not on ClickBank yet, there's literally no reason not to be. It's totally free, and now that you know the best free traffic sources, you can pick a ClickBank offer, build your following, and start making sales without spending a lot of money. So we'll drop a link in the description to get started with ClickBank, or you can just visit clickbank.com/start. We hope to see you there. And that's it for me. So until next time, happy scaling.